I send my warmest wishes as Muslims around the world begin observing the holy months of Ramadan. Ramadan embodies the values of compassion, empathy, and generosity. It is an opportunity to reconnect with family and community, a chance to remember those less fortunate, and to all those who will spend this sacred time amid displacement and violence, I wish to express a special message of support. I stand with all those who are suffering, from Gaza and the wider region to Sudan, the Sahel, and beyond. And I join those observing Ramadan to call for peace and mutual respect. Every Ramadan, I undertake a solidarity visit and fast with the Muslim community around the globe. These missions remind the world of the true face of Islam, and I always come away even more inspired by the remarkable sense of peace that fills this season. In these holy months, let us all be uplifted by these values and embrace our common humanity to build a more just and peaceful world for all. Ramadan Karim.